Have you ever wondered how you can use Apple's Animojis in your videos? Well, my name is Andrew Albright and I'm here to teach you how. First, I create a video script in a cloud documentation system. Here I'm using Google Drive and Google Docs. I think about my video and write a loose script. I think about tone, audience, my message, and what I want inside of the video. Once written, I'm ready to do a line reading. I open my phone to create Animoji video clips. Using my phone number as the text message recipient, I record myself delivering line reads. My advice is to record multiple line reads at a time. Remember, you only have 30 seconds to deliver a good read. It is now time to take those videos and get them to a usable space. I'm saving mine to Google Drive, but any cloud storage solution works. Keep it simple by using what you know. If I want recordings on my screen, I use the default screen recording app for my operating system. Use Game Bar on Windows to record MP4 files, or use QuickTime on Mac to record MOV files. Don't forget that you can even record the screen of iPhone and Android phones. Use a search engine if you have any questions. Video creation software is used to create my video. The default app for Windows is Photos, and the default app for Mac is QuickTime. I use Premiere Rush because it suits my style. In my videos, I like to position my Animoji recordings over screen captures or use them as talking head clips. With more effort, you can even replace the background of these Animoji recordings. There you have it. Creating videos with Animojis takes effort, but is also rewarding. I hope you too create these fun videos.